Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MSD School of Trading. So today, 4th January 2022, let us see the performance of the yesterday. Okay. Before I start showing the performance of yesterday, I will once again explain you about our strategy, what we have to do, and how to trade using our MSD ICO 2.0. It is very simple, dear. You don't have to get any confusion. It is as like a LKG stuff. So initially, when the market has opened, after 5 to 10 minutes, these lines will be formed. After 5 to 10 minutes, these lines will be formed. So this top first line is the sell entry and bottom first line is the buy entry. And bottom second line is the SL for the first buy, and it is also the second sell once first buy SL hit. Similarly, the top first line is the sell entry and top second line is the SL for the first sell. Also, it is the second buy entry if SL hit in the first sell. Clear? I repeat once again. Once the market has opened in the morning, after 2 to 3 candles, these lines will be formed. There will be 4 lines. One is bottom first line and top first line, and bottom second line and top second line. This bottom first line is the first buy entry and bottom second line is the SL for the first buy entry, and it is also the second sell entry if the first buy SL hit. Then the top first line is the first sell entry and top second line is the first sell SL, and it is also the second buy entry if first sell SL hit. Okay, only 4 lines. Next, what you have to do for Nifty and Bank Nifty, we advise to keep in 360 time frame and tiny SL and tiny targets. Tiny SL and tiny targets. First changes what you have to do. Next, if market has reached first here, first to buy side, then you should buy. That day you should not sell. There is no sell trade that day unless if the SL hit. If market has reached the first upside and sell activated, there is no buy that day unless SL hit. Clear? Now what happened yesterday? Yesterday buy is not triggered and sell only got triggered. So now what we have to do? We have to enable first sell entry, first sell targets. If you want, you can enable the first sell SL. Otherwise, you can directly enable second buy and second buy targets. Okay. Now it is clear. So first sell activated, SL hit. Then immediately we have taken 2 lots for the reverse entry, that is second buy, for the target of 17,575. That is the first target. See, yesterday all the 3 targets have been achieved successfully. All the 3 targets have been achieved successfully. The SL is still safe. The SL is still safe. So how to achieve all the 3 targets? How it is possible? It is not possible if you are trading with 1 lot. Okay. If you are trading with the 3 lots, then you can book the first lot at the first target and revise the stop loss to cost to cost. Book the second lot at the second target and revise the stop loss to first target. And book the third target at the third lot at the third target and exit from the market. That's all. So this is how you can achieve, you can get the maximum profit from the market, but it is not possible with one lot. So this is our basic strategy. This is our basic strategy. So how it has happened, I will show you by replaying the bar. So first what I have to do, I have to reset. And since I'm trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I will go here and select tiny SL and tiny targets. Come here, bar replay. I'm selecting this. I'm replaying. Now assume that market has just opened. So this is yesterday. Okay, 31st December 3:15. Market is running now. Now next day market open and immediately our lines are getting formed and sell entry also got activated. It is not coming down. It is going up. What we expected the market to come down, but it is not coming down. It is going upside. Okay, I'm enabling first sell targets and second buy targets. First sell SL hit, then immediately second buy activated, and there was a sideway in the market. Then after that, our target got hit. First target hit. So if you are a small trader, your trading got over in the first target itself. Otherwise, you can hold that hold your trade till market ends, or you get the sufficient profit. So that's all, dears. So this is how our indicator works. It is very simple. But here we have told you one important thing. How to avoid such a loss. This day, though we are in a profit, as per the strategy, but this loss also can be recovered. This loss also can be recovered. How? We have told you 2 to 3 techniques. First one, if the first 15 minutes candle is having full bullish strength, that day we can avoid the first sell entry. One. Similarly, if the first 15 minutes candle is having more bearish strength, then you can avoid the first buy entry that day. Second tips we have given, when the breaking candle or when the confirmation candle, when it is hitting our entry with a high bullish volume, that day you can avoid the first sell entry. Similarly, see here, this entry I'm telling, for example, it is having very high bearish strength, that day we can avoid the buy entry. This is second tip. And third tip, we have explained along with one strategy. So this you have to practice. Then only you can apply in the market, that enable the moving average 9. Whenever the market is above this moving average line, right? Don't go for the sell entry. Don't go for the sell entry. See here, it is exactly above the moving average 9. So it is showing our a clear buy trend. So that day we should not go for a sell entry. So this is the third tip. Okay, if you don't understand any of these 3 tips, then simply and blindly follow the indicator. If SL hit, don't hesitate to take this reverse entry and book at the first target in double order. Okay, that's all. So this is how you have to trade. Then I have also explained one paid strategy for free in the previous video, that also I will show you now. So for that I will take the help of MST iCore 2.0. So here I have not given that option. So what you have to do in the MST iCore 3.0, go here and select 9:15 to 9:30 time frame and select session high and session low and give OK. Enable the indicator. So if you want to know the midpoint of these two, high and low, that also I have given option. You can click the select pivot, central pivot point 3. Why this point I have given? Because when the market has opened and it has broken the high, there is 90% of the chances that it will retrace to 50% of the first candle or 50% of the previous candle high. Okay, so now it will come here and it will retest and it will start going upside. So that is why we have given the midpoint also. Otherwise you have to calculate the midpoint, then you have to draw that line separately. So now we have given automatically. Okay, you will get automatically. Now how to trade this? Now we are going to take a help from moving average 9. Okay. So now come here and enable this option moving average 9. Now the condition is first one, the EMA line should be below the candle and high of that candle should be broken. The EMA line should be below the line and high of that candle should be broken. Now at the green point, that is 17,478, we have to take the entry. So here only it has got broken. So if you convert it into small time frame, so it might have again retraced to the same point. Okay. Now we have got the entry here, and the first target will be this range. Whatever is the first 15 minutes candle range, that will be your first target. So I think here approximately this will be your first target, and this side will be your second target. So exactly your two targets have been achieved. Two targets have been achieved. Even if you are getting one target also, it is well and good. So this is how you have to trade. This strategy is a paid strategy. People are selling it for 20,000 to 1 lakh rupees also in a form of Excel sheet. Okay, but we have slightly modified the strategy and we have given you, and it is working for 70% of the time. So here the what will be entry? Entry will be the green line and SL will be the below the red line. The target will be range of the first candle. So I'm not telling this strategy will give you always profit. There are many days it will give you loss also. Okay. So now I show you for Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty. So what happened in the Bank Nifty? Same thing happened in the Bank Nifty. As I told you here, the first candle high and low is marked and the moving average is below the candles. High is broken at the third candle. Now all the candles are above the moving average. So it has shown a very clear buy trend trade yesterday. It is a very clear buy trend. Clear? Let me show you what was the performance of our MST I-Core indicator in Bank Nifty. Okay, what I have to do, I have to reset and enable 360 and convert to tiny SL and tiny targets. Why tiny SL and tiny target? Because the range of the market is above 30,000. Above 10,000, you can go for tiny SL and tiny SL. Below 10,000, small SL. Okay. Below 3,000 or 2,000, you can go for normal SL. Below 500, you can go for big SL. Below 50, you can go for big 2 SL. Similarly, how to choose for tiny target, small target, normal target, and big 2 target according to the price. According to the price. According to the volatility of the market. If the market is having more volatility, then you have to keep your stop loss accordingly. Clear? So what happened here? I will replay this. I will go to bar replay and select from previous day and playing now. So now you see what happened. Market, previous day market is running now. Now today market has opened. So now our indicator is getting formed. So what happened immediately in the second candle, if you see the low was 35,526 and our entry was 35,506. So we missed the entry by 20 points, 19 points something we missed the entry. If we calculate the profit for 20 points, it comes to 500 rupees. So we are telling you can give extra risk of 300 rupees. Okay. 500 rupees also if you want to take extra risk. So when the price comes to nearby this, you can take any at the money or in the money call option buy. Any at the money or in the money call option buy. So now though we can consider that the buy has been activated here, I will not consider because some people will say 20 points, how can you consider? He said only 300 rupees, how can you consider 20 points? Okay, leave it. For the sake of argument, suppose if I agree that buy is not activated and sell only got activated. So next thing what happened, I have to enable first sell targets and second buy targets. If you want separately SL, that also I have given here. See here, if you want the SL, come here and select if you want first to sell SL or first to buy SL, second to sell SL and second buy SL. All the four options I have given in the options. If you want to choose this, that also you can choose here. So what happened now? First sell SL hit. So next I have taken double lot at 35,831. So let me tell you whether SL hit in the second entry also or we have got the target. So first buy targets hit, second buy first target hit, then market is in range bound. It is trading in between first target, second target. So second target also hit and third target also hit. Third target also hit. So now market is going beyond that level. Now how to see till where it will go? So now you can, I have given the option here for first sell, second buy target 4. Enable this. Enable the central pivot point 1. Then second buy target 5. Enable this. And second buy target 6. Enable this. So if you see this, all the 6 targets have been achieved. Right, this is tiny target. So if you want to keep now small targets, then you can see further level. So small targets also, all the targets hit. Then normal targets, if you want to see all these are given only for knowing till where the market will reach. The maximum is up to big 2 targets. Beyond that market will not go at any point of time. So here in normal targets up to 2 targets have been achieved successfully. So this is how we have to trade. So this is in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. What about crude oil? So most of the people are interested in crude oil. That also I will show you. So if it is a crude oil, we cannot do bar replay. So we have to show as such. So here what you have to do, we should not keep 360 time frame. We should keep in default time frame. That is day. So yesterday what happened? First sell activated here at 5673. Okay, first sell activated. So that day we should not go for the buy entry. There is no buy. Keep in mind, there is no buy. So now since buy activated, come here and since sell activated, come here and enable first sell targets, second buy targets. If you sell here, we should be ready with the entry and remove all other things. Now first cell activated, immediately first target hit, second target hit and third target also hit. If you want to know the further level, go here as I told you, select first cell target 4 and first cell target 5 and first cell target 6. These are an optional thing. If you want, you can keep. See here, all the 5 targets have been achieved continuously. All the 5 targets have been achieved continuously. Again, it has retraced. Now, if we know the price action, even a little knowledge about the price action will give you a profit. What is the price action? Look at this candlestick pattern, what it has formed. See this we call it as bullish engulfing. So the body of the red candle is completely engulfed by a green candle. So this is the green candle high and this is the green candle low. So here this body of the red candle is completely engulfed by the green candle and this we call it as bullish engulfing and this is the reversal pattern. Now once the high of this candle is broken, we should go for the entry. So at 5586 we could have taken buy entry with the low of this candle. So if you have taken 5586 buy entry, we have got the good profit. This is about the price action. This is about the price. If you don't have the price action, no problem. Simply follow this indicator. Whenever it says buy, buy. Whenever it says sell, sell. If you sell here, go for the reverse entry with the double lots. Again, we are telling, we are giving all this only for the educational purpose. We are not asking anyone to trade with your real money. If you are trading, before you put your live money, please consult with your financial advisor. We are not responsible for any of your profit or loss. We are giving just for educational purpose. Okay, coming back to this, and So if you are new to our YouTube channel and you are watching our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe and share to all your trading friends so that they will stop losing their capital in the market. They will start making money from the market. Okay, this is how it is working. So first sell activity means there is no buy that day. Okay, we have to go for the sell entry only. But there are some exception like this pattern if we get at the low, okay, then you can go for the with this limited risk. The risk will be 5522. Your next level will be your SL, then you can go for the target. Okay, so this is how you have to trade. And another options we have given like, so once the market has given a target in one side, it has to reverse somewhere, right? So that's why we have given the monthly time frame. So I will change to, you can go with the weekly, but the market has fallen drastically, so it will hit the SL. Then monthly also you can go. So monthly is 2 away. Okay, the monthly is 2 away. The it is not triggered. But if we see the previous day monthly entry, see here, we have also mentioned in the previous video that you can consider the previous month, previous week, previous day entry. If it is not triggered, then it may be considered as the narrow and virgin entries like CPR. So in the CPR, we could have seen virgin CPR, right? The same concept we can apply here. See, just I'm extending the previous month buy entry and sell entry. See, exactly in that point one, it has taken the support. So this is one method to identify the reversal. And another method, here we have given 3W. So that also you can trade. So 3W means, see here where we have got the entry exactly at 5549 we have got the entry and the low made was 5544. So this is how we have to identify the reversal entry. So come here and enable the first buy targets, remove the first sell, remove the second buy and enable the second sell. So second sell means that will be your second entry if SL hit in the second buy. So I'm enabling the second sell targets also. So now exactly our first buy activated and first target hit, second target hit and third target also hit. Now if you want to know the further targets, then enable first buy target 4, first buy target 5 and first buy target 6. See, the first buy target 6 was 5700 and the high made was 5695. So exactly all our targets almost hit. Okay, we consider basically only 3 targets. These fourth, fifth and sixth are extra targets only. So take same here, the it has taken the resistance and here it has taken the support. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple, very easy to understand. You have to put some of your hard work. If you are not ready to put your hard work, then follow 2.0 with the simply default settings. Okay, simply default settings. Just to follow the instruction with the default settings. If buy activated, go for buy. If sell activated, go for sell. If SL hit, go for the reverse entry. If both side SL hit, just keep quiet for the day and next day you can recover your loss. Don't take entries again and again on the same day if you are in loss, and by taking revenge on the market you will lose entire your capital. So that should not happen. So just follow any one strategy with 100% belief and trust in your strategy so that you will get 100% profit overall in a month. Otherwise you will have to lose 100% of your capital. Okay, is it clear? And next one I can show you natural gas also I can show you. See, natural gas, yesterday what happened? It is wonderful entry yesterday we have got. So here 4 to 5 times it has touched our buy entry. It has then directly reached to sell entry. Then again it has come to buy entry. Again it has reached to sell entry. Again it has come to buy entry. Here a sell hit you can say, right? But it is not hit. Why? Because the see the number. Natural gas it is 280 trading below 500. What you have to do? We have to change normal SL and normal target. Normal SL and normal targets. So now you see SL is safe. Okay. So again it has reached the sell entry. Again it is coming down. How many opportunities you got? Here one opportunities, then two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So more than 6 opportunities we have got. So it actually yesterday it has started exactly in between our buy and sell entry. Exactly in between our buy and sell entry. So SL is safe, targets are achieved. Again SL is safe, targets are achieved. But as per strategy, what we are telling, if buy activated, there is no sell. Again buy activated, target hit. Again buy activated, target hit. So 3 times you have got the buy activated and target hit. This sell entry, 3 times sell also activated. If you want to take aggressive trade, if you want to risk your money with limited risk, this is your risk. This stop loss will be your risk, then you can trade, no issue. So we are telling for the basic traders, small traders, okay. And another important thing, so here also you can, there is a bull, there is a bearish engulfing candle here. There is a bearish engulfing candle. Here also bearish engulfing candle. So whenever you found such a thing, then you can go for the entry price. Here also a bearish engulfing candle. And I have explained about one R3C technique. What is R3C? So when market is going from bottom to top, and when there is a green candle reversal, green candle rejection, followed by one red candle, that is a confirmation candle. So this rejection candle is the first C or C. Then second candle is the confirmation candle CC or 3C. Now we have to mark the high and low of such candle. When low of that candle is broken, then you have to go for the sell. So this one strategy also I have taught you. So whatever videos we have released in previously, so those videos also you can watch. And apart from these entry levels and exit levels, you can consider these all the lines as the best support and resistance. Just enable everything. Just enable everything. That's all. Now you can consider this all the lines instead of without this label. You just consider this as the best support and resistance. Best support and resistance. See here exactly in this point it has taken the support. It has reversed, going. So this is how you can use the indicator as the best support and resistance, dynamic support and resistance. You can change the time frame also. So you can change the time frame to monthly or weekly to find another support level. Okay. Then monthly also you can keep another support level. See here exactly it has taken support from here and it has stopped here. So this is how you can trade another method. Then another thing what we have added, I will reset. We have given one MST trend zone. This trend zone, whenever this trend zone in a higher time frame is below the candles, it shows it is a clear buy trend. Similarly, whenever in a higher time frame it is in below the, it is above the candle, it is a sell trend. See here. So from when we have got the entry, here we got the entry. Here, so this is our sell zone where 38,927 we have got the entry. So from there it is falling only falling. So now only it is again has taken reverse in the 1 hour time frame. Now we can see a very good rally in the coming days. So market has to reach minimum 37,200. Minimum 1000 points it has to go upside in the bank nifty. So let us see. So this is applicable for all the markets, not only in bank nifty or crude oil. It is applicable for all the markets. So this part is clear today. And what else we have added? EMA 921 VWAP strategy also we have added. And yesterday I added volume candle also. Okay. So the volume candle is not applicable in this part, but it is applicable in the features because there is no trade happening in the volume in the spot, but it is the trades are happening in the features. So you can use this feature option for knowing the volume of the candle. See here, in first 1 hour, I will keep it 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 3 minutes, whichever you want, you can trade. We'll keep it 15 minutes. See here, in the first 15 minutes, market has opened with a high bullish volume, so that it has given very good rally. And next day also same thing happened. And when the market has closed, so that time also we have very good bullish volume. See the strength of the volume. It is dark green. Okay, dark green. So now market will open upside only. It has to open upside unless this low is broken. Unless this low is broken. This low, this candle low is broken. That is 17,657. If it is broken, we can go for the buy entry. If this high is broken with the good volume, then we can go for the buy entry without any hesitation. So these all features we have added in our indicator. Okay, thank you all for patiently watching our video. If you don't understand any of the pointed, whatever I have pointed out, please watch it again. Please watch it again unless you get 100% knowledge. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day.